Hello everyone, this is Anita Taylor. Welcome back to my class. In the previous class, we have learned what is computer, its functions and uses. In this session, we are going to discuss the parts of computer and advantages and disadvantages of a computer. Let us see what are the parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts which helps in performing the IPO cycle. What does IPO stands for? Input, processing, output. A computer has four main parts. What are those? Keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse. Let us see the picture of a desktop computer. CPU is also known as CPU cabinet or system unit. It's a speaker, keyboard, mouse, microphone, speaker and a monitor. This is known as screen. It looks like a TV screen. Is it not? Yes. What do you mean by keyboard? A keyboard is most important part of the computer. It has a number keys on it. We enter information and instructions into the computer using keyboard. What do you mean by monitor? A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the result and movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. A monitor is also known as video, that is visual display unit. The information that we do on a monitor is called soft copy. What do you mean by soft copy? The information that we do on a computer is called soft copy. The output printed on a paper is called a hard copy. Let us see the picture of a monitor. It is looking like a TV screen, is it not? Yes. What does it do? It displays the result and movement of a mouse pointer on the screen. Hope you are observing. I am pointing the cursor on the screen. Isn't it? Yes. Let us know what is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer that controls all the functions of a computer. It does all the calculations and displays the result on the monitor. A CPU is made up of three main parts. What are those? They are MU, CU and ALU. MU stands for memory unit. In this unit, we can store information or data according to our need. The information in the memory can be changed or recalled on the screen when we need it. Can you name some storing devices? That is pen drive, floppy disk, isn't it? Yes. CU. It stands for control unit. It works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. Let us know what does ALU stands for. That is arithmetic and logical unit. This unit performs all the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs logical operations such as greater number, smaller number, greater than, equal to, less than equal to or not equal to numbers. Hope you have studied in mathematics, arithmetic operations and logical operations, isn't it guys? Yes. What is mouse? It's a pointing device. The mouse is connected to the CPU by a cable. A mouse usually has two buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. Hope you are observing me. I am reading with the pointer, isn't it? Yes. When we move a mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. It helps to draw the pictures. Look at the picture of a mouse here. What do you mean by printer? A printer prints the information from a computer onto a paper. The output can be either in black or white or in color. This is the picture of a printer. Let us know advantages and disadvantages of computer. Advantages: multitasking, speed, cost, stores huge amount of data, accuracy. Disadvantages: virus and hacking attacks, health issues, online cyber crimes, etc. Multitasking is one of the major advantages of computer. A person can perform multiple tasks, multiple operations, calculate numerical problems within few seconds. Computer can perform trillion of instructions per second. And it can store huge amount of data. As we know guys, computer has making human life faster because of its incredible speed, accuracy and storage with which human can save anything and search it out easily when needed. Okay, as we know, advantages come with disadvantage. Virus and hacking attacks, health issues. If you sit continuously in front of the laptop or system, how do you feel? If you may feel giddiness or eyes strain, isn't it? Yes. Virus is a verb and hacking is simply an unauthorized access over computer for some purposes. Virus is being transferred from email attachment, viewing an infected file or website advertisement, or you can say that through removable devices like USB, etc. Once virus is transferred in host, computer can infect file, overwrite the file, etc. Hope I made it clear. Thank you so much.